In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under relative atomic mass and relative molecular mass based on carbon 12. So basically, we are solving problems on isotopes. Alright, so let's get started. The first question here says the relative atomic mass of chlorine is not a whole number because the element has strong oxidizing ability. No, the atom contains a higher number of neutrons than protons. No, it is the average mass of all the isotopes of the element. Yeah, so this will be the answer to this question, option C. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says if 100 atoms of element X contain 70 atoms of this element and 30 atoms of this element, calculate the relative atomic mass of X. So let's bring a calculator. Let me show you I can solve this problem. So this is the scientific calculator which is allowed for WASSCE chemistry. So to solve this problem, it will be the formula the normally used to solve problems from isotope is sum of percent abundance times the atomic mass. So it will be, what it means there is, here the percent abundance respectively in these questions, we have them to be 70 and 30. So since we are talking about percent, it will be 70 over 100. Okay, percent abundance times atomic mass. So that's the mass number of this atom of 70 is 9 plus then the percent abundance, second one there will be 30 over 100. That's 30% over 100. Okay, then we have times the atomic mass is 11. So that's it, guys. Let's press equals now to see the outputs. We have it to be this, put it in decimal, press ST 9.6. The right option is option D. So that's how you can solve this kind of problem. The next question we just wipe this will be this one. It says an element X has two isotopes. Alright, so these are the isotopes with relative abundance of 60% and 40% respectively. The relative atomic mass of X is, so let's make a calculator and solve this as well. So this will be, as usual, in fraction, percent abundance sum, that's 60 over 100. Then we have times the atomic mass or the mass number of this 60%, we have it to be 65. Then we have plus in fraction. Yeah, next one is 40%, that's 40 over 100. Then times 66, that's what press equal to press SD. So we have it to be 65.40. So the right option would be option C. Okay, so that will be the answer to this question. Next question, let's wipe this, will be this one. It says if the relative molecular mass of an element is not a whole number, it can be deducted that the element is naturally radioactive, no, a transition metal, no, abundant in nature, no, an isotopic mixture. Yes, so the element is an isotopic mixture. Last question before we end this video with this one. It says an element X has isotopic masses of 6 and 7 if the relative abundance is 1 to 12.5 respectively. What is the relative atomic mass of X? Alright, so guys, for this question, let's bring a calculator. For this question, firstly, we're going to do something now. Okay, we are going to go through the route of percent abundance. Okay, so if the relative abundance is this, so since telling us that the relative abundance is 1 to 12.5. So let's get the sum of this relative abundance. So 1 plus 12.5 will give it 13.5. So to now get the relative atomic mass of X, it will now be in fraction 1 over, remember we got the sum of 1 plus 12.5, so it gave us 13.5, okay, times 6. This 6 is for this one, all right. Then we have plus in fraction, 12.5 over 13.5, okay. Then we have times 7 is for 12.5. so that's how you can solve this kind of problem. So let's press equal to see the output. Press SD, so we have it to press SD again. 6.92, so the right option would be option B if you are looking it to 1 decimal place. So this basically can deal with problems involving relative atomic mass and relative molecular mass based on carbon-12. Basically, this is calculations on isotopes for WASSCE chemistry. We practice with 5 video questions for this video. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.